Welcome all you lovely people, and welcome to the Parts Buying Club. This is a Zontes ZT350X, brand new model, just released in China. Chinese subtitles on this, I'm afraid. This English version. As always, I'll leave the engine oil grade in the description, but just to let you know, it's 5 watt 40, 10 watt 5 watt, but it's 5 watt 40 with a single cylinder with lots of revs and compression. Needs 5 watt for oil. Nice and easy this one, because you've only got one nut to undo to drain the oil. Unlike on the 310cc model, which use the frame to cool the oil. On the 350s they don't, they have an oil cooled radiator, so you just have one release point for the oil. The engine oil, if you're changing the filter, it's 1.7 litres to refill. If you're not using a filter, not doing an oil filter change, then it's 1.6 litres of oil. The torque for the nut to go back in after you've cleaned it up, etc., with the crush washer on, make sure you put the crush washer on, is 24 newton meters of torque, give or take 4 newton meters. So basically, just finger tighten it and then just give it a little bit more. This is around 24, I'd say. Years of experience, that's 2 years. Getting old now. Like I say, you use 5 watt 40 engine oil, and you use 1.7 litres if you're doing the oil filter as well. But if you're not, it's just 1.6 litres of new engine oil. Never ever start your bike when there's no engine oil in the bike, because you will damage the engine completely. Never ever try turn over the engine without engine oil in it. Warning for you there. This is Man Mick. I'm going to sign off now. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe, like, and enjoy.